Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all fine and having a very good day. I welcome you all to my channel English Superstars. So on a lot of requests from you all, I have decided to start numbers of the nouns today. Now what are numbers? It's singular or plural. Countable nouns can be singular or plurals. Now we can count them. For example, one is singular or more than one is plural. Singular means one of something or single. For example, pen. But plural means more than one when you add something to it. For example, pen is singular, so pens means more than one, that is plural. Now what are the rules to make or change from singular to plural? First of all, sometimes we simply add s. For example, pen pen, then pens pens, right? But sometimes we add es. For example, box, boxes, boxes. Sometimes we drop y and we add ies. For example, candy, 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 but candies, candies. So these are just some rules that you need to remember. Sometimes there are nouns that don't follow any rule at all. So you just need to learn them. Sometimes spelling remains the same, sometimes they change. So those kind of cases you need to remember. Let's talk about rule number 1. As I told you, in some nouns we only add s. For example, apple, apples, desk, desks, book, books, train, trains, pen, pens, name, names, shop, shops, friend, friends, chair, chairs, teacher, teachers. Now what we did here, we just add s. Now what is the rule number 2? Rule number 2 says that we add es to the words ending with ch, sh, s, s, x or z. One box, many boxes. Because box is ending with x, and here see we said in this rule, if a word ends with x, we add es. Similarly, beach, beaches, dish, dishes, bunch, bunches, loss, losses, bus, buses. You just need to remember all these words, right? Rule number 3 says that we add ies to those words which are ending with y. But first we remove that y. See, over here it was city, now it is cities. Berry, berries. Pony, ponies. Family, families. Reply, replies. Lady, ladies. So in all of these, first of all, we are removing this y and then we add ies. So that's really simple. Now, some are special words like man, men. Man is for one, but men is more than one. Woman, women. Now, woman is only for one. Women is more than one. Tooth, teeth. Tooth is only one, but teeth is more than one. Child, only one. Children, more than one. See? So you need to remember these special words. Now there are some other cases that you need to remember as well. There are some words that remain the same in their spelling. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. Sheep, sheep. Some singular nouns do not change spelling when they become plural. So they are same in singular and same in plural. Alright? Now remember these words. What are they? Man, men, woman, women, tooth, teeth, child, children, foot, feet, sheep, sheep, fish, fish. Now these are some special cases that you need to remember. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's very simple and easy for the kids and beginners. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day.